Introducing new generation hair removal device by BoSidin Intense Pulsed Light Technology, a new standard in permanent visible hair removal. BoSidin IPL is uniquely used ice compress technology, which gives you painless hair removal experience. BoSidin hair removal device sends light pulses to optimize to target melanin in the hair. Heat light is absorbed by the melanin, which heats up, preventing unwanted hair from reaching the skin surface with continued use. Without melanin, this is impossible. Thus, IPL doesn't work for blonde, gray, and red hairs. Melanin also defines the skin tones. Lighter skin contains less melanin compared to darker skin. That's why the light intensity has to be adapted to avoid heating up darker skin. Thus, it's also not suitable for dark skin. Once BoSidin is plugged in, select the correct intensity level for your skin color. The nozzle needs to be in full contact with the skin to ensure it works correctly. Press the flash button to zap, then place the device on the next area to be treated. Clinical trials have shown that after just 3 treatments, consumers experience up to 96% reduction in hair growth. And 92% of consumers also experience permanent hair removal after 8 weeks usage in the treated area. BoSidin Innovation U.